It's a bright sunny day. Hello and welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and doing good at everything. So here I am back in my Food Chemistry's kitchen and I'm planning to make chocolate chips muffins that is very healthy and it will be made out of atta. You can see I have sieved the atta, that is the wheat flour. So this is around 2 cups of atta. Then coming to our dry ingredients, we will be taking baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder for the flavoring, and to the right I have oil. So we are going to use Figaro's extra virgin olive oil. We won't be using eggs, so that's why we are using oil. Then here is the honey for the sweetener. We won't be using sugar, it will be replaced by sweet honey. Then comes the vanilla essence, which is a must for any baking product, and I'm planning to use this dark choco chips from Leon's, and also I have white and dark choco chips. So let's try. We'll do the chemistry as you know I will be doing and experimenting stuffs. Let's get started. One more important ingredient for the chocolate chip muffins is the cocoa powder. You cannot miss this. So this will be into the dry ingredients. So you can see my dry ingredients are ready and I will prepare the wet ingredients and then we will mix together. Now it's time to mix all the wet and dry ingredients and it's almost ready. Wow, look at that beautiful chocolatey color. Everything is in proportion. The choco chips are looking so yum. So finally to the last step. Now my batter is ready and I have also made the muffin tray ready by greasing some amount of oil so that the cupcakes or muffins don't stick to it. Now let's do the arrangements. Wow, look at them, all set to go inside the oven. Here I will be using my OTG, so I have preheated for around 10 minutes and now let's place it.